Alright, today we're going to talk about how this compressor here, and it could be any plug for that matter. Alright, it's not working right, it's acting erratic. Like right now, brought me over this compressor because it was bad. See what I could do with it. It doesn't want to start. No shit. The plug is all burnt up. We're going to change it out for this new one. And we'll see if it works. Real simple. Say goodbye to the bad guy. Alright, I'm going to strip it back a little bit. Now this is something you could buy at Home Depot, you could buy it anywhere. Alright, you're going to have 3 colors inside, or it might just be 2. It might be a white and a black. It might be a white, black, and green as we have here. Strip. Look at that. You see how this is already black and charred? That's how bad it was. Let's cut it back some more. You want to get into the clean copper. To ensure a proper connection. Let's see. See over here, still bad. See how black it is and charred? Need to cut a little more. Now sometimes you're just gonna have to deal with it. Obviously this has been having this problem for a long time. I already took off about 3 inches. Let's see here. A little better. We could stop there. All right. Real simple. Strip. Now it's a little charred. You could take this lightly, clean off the conductors a little bit. It's not ideal, but this is definitely workable. All right. These things you can pick up at Home Depot, Ace, whatever. I'll even leave a link for one of these in the description where you could get it. Now, very important, when you look at these plugs, if you've never done one before, you're going to see there's a green. That's definitely going to be the ground. The brass is always the hot side, which is going to be the black. And the silver is always the white. So what we're going to do here, we're going to twist this up. Like so. Don't forget, you got to put the shroud on first. It sucks to go through it and then have to take it all apart again. Let me change this here. Love these Klein 10 and 1s, 11 and 1s. You have everything you need on it. Now the white goes to the silver colored. Just put it in. And you lock it down. Same thing with the ground. Put it in. And if you look inside of it, I don't know if you can see there, it's got little grooves on both sides that actually catch the wire to prevent it from coming out. Stick it in the hole. Tighten it down. Same thing with the black. Black goes on the brass. Let's do this. All the way in there. This one does not want to cooperate. You'll get that from time to time. pull test on it. What I like to do, I like to stretch the sheathing all the way down so it gets as close to the plug as possible. So when you lock it in, the stress relief of the plug catches the sheathing instead of the wires. And here we have the new plug. Let's see if it starts. Amazing!